gonna be a different type of thing today with the DJ Aggie on our Frenzy Radio. Let's go with rock and roll right about now, like that. My sister Jennifer Chair, she is straight out of Texas, United States of America. Big out to yourself. I know you love this type of music, massive. Massive type of thing, like I said, different type of thing, different levels today with DJ Anki. Massive. I think most of the fans know me as a reggae dancer person, you know, and humble type of thing, but rock and roll is also my thing, and I love to do this most of the time.
Eating seeds is a pastime activity. The toxicity of our city, Yo! What do you own the world? How do you own the disorder? Disorder! No! Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Disorder!
I just love so many versions that were done on this one, System of the Dawn. But that is something else. This is Toxicity Afro City. Let's play the violin version. That is something else, the violin version. I fed a big out to yourself all over the world. For those of you watching me right now, my name is DJ Agi Afro Zim Radio Rock and Roll.
Respect and blessings. This is Honeybee representing for the one and only DJ Agi on Afrozim Radio. Honeybee says so. Zzz. Because I remember it is on the 22nd of October 2022, which is next week from now. I'm gonna have Honeybee herself on Afrozim Radio with DJ Agi. Remember, it's gonna be a conversation with my sister. She is in California, United States of America, right about now. It's gonna be a reggae type of thing, but I love that massive type of thing. Honeybee with DJ Agi, and we're going to go full regalia, reggae music and dance type of thing. You can put so many meanings out to this sound. Nothing else matters. This is metallic out top of it. Unless just massive rock and roll. Love this. Obviously, I'm gonna have to take this one from the top. Remember these effects, I can always use them anywhere because I am operating within the jurisdiction of a DJ, rock and roll, my piano, anything DJ Agi does play. Big up to yourself all over the world.
finding you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view. And nothing else matters. Never care for what they do. Never care for what they know. But I know so close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Never cared for what they do. Never cared for what they know. But I know I never opened myself this way. Life is ours, we live it our way. Hold these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view.
Concrete
And
Cement
nothing
remix. DJ Aggie, our foundation in this. And when we roll through dancehall, chant.
for what they say. Never cared for games they play. Never cared for what they do. Never cared for what they know. And I know.
We just want to thank everybody tuning in right now to Afrozim Radio Rock and Roll Session with DJ Age. Welcome to the hospital and thank you very much for visiting. Remember this, I always say this, music is a therapy for me, and I'm actually in hospital and I love to do this every time I visit hospital. When we play music, big up to yourself. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening to everybody.
All that glitters is gold, and she's buying the stairway to heaven. When she gets there, she knows if the stores are all closed, with a word she can get what she came for.
This is your island empress, Abia Yisrael out of Dominica, and you're listening to DJ Aggie.
There's a sign on the wall, but she wants to be sure. 'Cause you know sometimes words have two meanings. In a tree by the brook, there's a songbird who sings. Sometimes all of our thoughts are misgiven.
This right here is Led Zeppelin. Stairway to Heaven, massive type of thing. You're gonna have to work for it. You're gonna have to work for it. You're gonna change just about now.
Makes me wonder. There's a feeling I get when I look to the west, and my spirit is crying for leaving. In my thoughts, I have seen rings of smoke through the trees, and the voices of those who stand looking. Ooh, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it really makes me wonder. And it's whispered that soon, if we all call the tune, then the piper will lead us to reason, and a new day will dawn for those who stand long, and the forests will echo with laughter.
I was just thinking about this right about now. Remember, there was tobacco, and I was just looking at these vapors. So we're smoking fruits now, okay? Myself. I'm talking about the flavors that in these are vapors that people smoking these days. All right.
If there's a bustle in your hedgerow, don't be alone there. It's just a sprinkling for the May Queen. Yes, there are two paths you can go by, but in the long run, there's still time to change the road you're on. And it makes me wonder. Your head is humming and it won't go, in case you don't know. The piper's calling you to join him. Dear lady, can you hear the wind blow? And did you know your stairway lies on the whispering wind?
I was talking to SDB yesterday. Then he said he's going to claim some royalties on the because that is his thing, and I love to do that all the time. He's always big up to yourself.
There was a land
good. That was exhilarating. Big up to yourself. Oh yo, let's take this one from the top. I love this one. I wish it could rain. That's Phil Collins. Big up to yourself.
Take it back.
You know I never meant to see you again, but I only passed by as a friend. Yeah. All this time I stayed out of sight. I started wondering why.
Zambia, DJ Aggie, Bushwa,
Now
Bushwa.
I wish it would rain down on me. Yes, I wish it would rain down on me now. Yes, I wish it would rain down on me. Yes, I wish it would rain on me. You said you didn't need me in your life. Oh, I guess you were right. Yeah.
If you're joining me right now, welcome to Afrozib Radio. This is Aggie.
No thing, but it looks like I did it again. Yeah. Now I know I wish it would rain down on me.
So in a couple of minutes, right, 15 minutes from now, we're going to go full regalia, dance or bashman, helmet, everything right about now with DJ Aggie on Afrozim Radio. We just had a good time and rock and roll type of thing. Remember this, I have to do this because I just love rock and roll, guys. You cannot take that away from me, and I'm always operating within the jurisdiction of the DJ. Big up.